Welcome back to the channel, y'all. If you're new here, my name's Treywick. Today we're coming to you from the town of Spectre, Alabama. Now, you're not going to find a town hall or any businesses or any full-time residents for that matter. Well, I guess human residents. There is a herd of goats that calls this place home. Now, if you couldn't tell from the title or the thumbnail, this is an abandoned movie set here outside of Montgomery, Alabama. Tim Burton filmed his movie Big Fish here. Now the island is privately owned. Visitors can visit for the day or camp overnight. Fishing and boating is a popular activity outside of just coming to see the movie set. Watch out, buddy. You get right up behind me, I'm likely to accidentally step on you. Definitely looks like most of the houses have gone to the goats, or houses, the buildings. See the fake brick that they put on here. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Got this guy pulling me around. He wants to smell all the smells.
Yeah, he probably wants to go check on these goats, huh?
Yeah, they were right there at the end by the church. They were like curious about him. They were like kind of walking up. A couple of them were getting kind of close, and then he'd bark at them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What did he think of that?
He wasn't sure what to think.
It's like, do I chase them? Are they going to chase me?
Yeah.
Like they're not acting like
That's
dogs?
what it
What's
seemed
going
like.
on
They
here?
were like they were going to chase him for a second.
Take care.
You too. that's gonna wrap up this video. It's been a fun one camping here at an abandoned movie set. I really appreciate y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, all of that good stuff. I gotta get loaded up here and head back to work. But if you liked this video, YouTube thinks that you'll like this one as well.